Good morning. Welcome to Planet Mojo. It's a beautiful day out there. I got to take a little bit of time and put away all of this stuff that accumulated since I started working on the wall up in the office up there. I got a big mess that I got to sweep up in here. And I got a ton of stuff that needs to be put away. Got new stuff from Christmas and materials for the ongoing jobs. This, that, and the other thing. And I need to grab one of those big bins and take it over to the greenhouse and fill it with them scraps. That'd be good for starting fires later on. Not a whole lot going on today, but got to get the stuff done. My wife went to the local Menards. They had some kind of a big blowout sale. So we got tons of stuff like this that are either free or $1 after rebate or whatever. And it's all stuff that we go through a ton of. So it's good to have, but we gotta find a place to put it up there. We got plenty of room up there. It's just not all organized yet. That's something I gotta get to really quick. I'll find a place for it though. Also, I have nearly completed the design for the addition to the house that will be starting in the spring. And if at all possible, we'll have the concrete guy coming over this week to get an estimate on the foundation. It's going to be a frost-protected shallow foundation, just like the house, which is a very interesting design that I believe it started in Scandinavia, but I'm not 100% sure. It hasn't caught on real well in the United States yet because we are kind of creatures of habit, but it's a great foundation choice for like cabins and stuff, or a cottage, which is what we consider the house there. So I'll be showing a lot of that in the upcoming weeks as I make design choices, and I'll run you through the model and show you all that. Also, I'll show you the model of the house itself and some of the features. It's pretty interesting. Oops. Oop, I stepped on a trap. Okay, so I'm going to get at this and then go pick up the wood in the greenhouse. Oh, as far as that goes, I have, I'd say 50% of the varieties of seeds for the coming summer. It's all grasses and wildflowers native to Wisconsin. I have 50% of the varieties already here, and one of the varieties has already been stratified, which is, stratification is different in different plants, but this variety wants to be cool and damp for 3 months, so it was added to vermiculite and it's in the fridge. All of the different seeds have different requirements, so as they need attention, I'll let you know what's going on with them. One of them has an inoculant because it's a legume, and I'll show you how that's done. Okay, I'm gonna get to cleaning. I almost forgot about the horses. I brought them some carrots. I usually just give it to them through the wall up there, through the fence, but I'll bring it down to them. I was looking out my window a little while ago and Mark, the red dun over there. Hi, honey. What was that? Oh, she is just so hot. They get so toasty warm from being in the sun. Yes, I do have a carrot for you. Hold on. Hold on, big girl. Give you this little one right away. Mr. Mark, he is still sick. He had the vet come see him. Hold on, I gotta break this. There you go, big boy. Hold on. We had the vet over this weekend because he's got some swelling that hasn't gone down. I gotta break this thing so they both get apart. Hold on. All right, that's it. No, all done, honey. Yeah, he's got some swelling down in the package region, and it hasn't gone away, so I had a vet over to see him again. He'll be all right, though. Okay, I got to get to work, horses. I forgot to mention, I got 3 unboxings to do this week. I'm not sure if I'll actually do this one. This is a solo seed spreader, which is probably the best bet for this area. I have all these hills and really uneven ground, so you can't use a push one or one pulled by ATV or anything. So this looks like the only way it'll be done. And I did some research on it, and this got the best reviews out of all of them. None of them are perfect, but I kind of trust the brand. Where is that? My backpack sprayer, I really like that, but part of it actually broke on the second use. I'll show that when it's time to start spraying again, but other than that, hopefully this works pretty well. I have 9 or 10 pounds of prairie grass seed on the way, so I really need something to help get that spread evenly. I don't want to toss it by hand, and the bag type ones, people have a lot of complaints with those, so hopefully this does the trick. And then I got to get this set up so I can start working on the tractors again. I got a ton to do, and I got to get it done real quick because it's going to be planting time before you know it. And I got to debox this real soon. I know I've said it probably 2-3 times, but I got to get it done to make sure that that porcelain is not broken there. That's the urinal that's going to go on the wall right there. I at least have to get the blocking in the wall for the mounting so I can get this drywalled. That's one of the upcoming jobs as well. I'm nearly done with the walls in the house, so I got to get this done next. Okay, I'm gonna get cleaning. Okay, that was not fun. Yeah, I tried getting these polyfilm up on the shelf, but they kept sliding off on me. I'm gonna have to figure out a bin or something for those. This is gonna be a monumental job. I'm gonna have to get my daughter to help with this. All of this stuff needs to go up in the mezzanine, and it really needs to get the hell out of here quick. I also need to get this TV mounted. The TV's going up here, but I gotta get the drywall in first. But before I get the drywall in, I think I have to, well, I know I have to insulate, but I have to get the piping through from the compressor and something else in that wall. So I really got to get busy out here. But as soon as work calms down just a bit, I'll be able to get out here. So I got it pretty clean. Got what I wanted done. Now I just got to bring this stuff over to the house and that over to the truck to throw in the dump. This thing, unfortunately, I got to pull it in because the tire is off the rim. I got to get that fixed before I can go on to anything, so I can get that the hell out of here. I think I'm going to throw it back in the shelter, or just put a tarp over it and throw it in the back. But it's got to get the hell out of here so when they plow, he can get right up to the door. Okay, now I just got to get one of those bins. Hopefully I can find the cover for that monster one there. That would make a good scrap wood bin. But if I can't, any of those bins will have to do. I need the bin for the scrap wood over in the greenhouse, and I really need to get my saw out of there because it just rains in there during the day. And I need to get the heater covered somehow as well. But I'm going to have to do that another day. It's already getting kind of late. So let me grab that thing. Well, it really doesn't look like I cleaned it all here with this crap in here. But I'm using the truck to go to town, so I don't want to load it up with garbage, so I have to sit in here for a while. Alright, I gotta shovel this, get that vacuum over to the house. We're doing some drywalling. Get this over to the greenhouse and then get to work. are my sawhorse brackets. I'm going to be making all the benches in here pretty soon, depending on when I can get to it. This thermometer says 75 degrees. Oh, it changes on me right away. Yeah, it is quite hot in here. I got to get out of here. Go get this coat off. There's just water everywhere from the condensation, which, like I said before, is not a bad thing, except if you got tools in here. So this has got to get the hell out of here. I can actually cut the material for the benches over by the shed. Just roll this outside and make the cuts. There's not a whole lot to it. It's a box frame with a center bar, and then it has two heavy-duty shelves, wire shelves that are attached to it. I will have some plans for that. Whenever I do that, I'll put the plans on the website. But I'm going to get all this stuff into that bin, but I'm going to have to do it tomorrow. I'm running late on other stuff, so I got to get out of here. If you like the videos, make sure you subscribe, click on the like button, and click on the update button so you receive notice when we post new videos. Thanks for watching, and have a great day.